Greetings from the village of Cardwell with its gorgeous scenery, year-round warm weather, marvellous ocean views and crocodile infested beach. I'm up this way with my friend Alison today. She's off looking for a petrol station as she has to put air in her tyres, and I'm just following her to that one now. We're on our way to Murray Falls, which is a waterfall. It's about, I think 30 or 40 kilometres out of here. And it's a dirt road down there, which should be interesting. We've had a fair amount of rain lately, so I'm not sure what sort of a state the road will be in. Pump not in use. Alright, well, she didn't go to that one either, did she? I think there's another petrol station up the way. At least I hope there is.
A few moments later.
Ah, here we go. Now, if I can just spot an 850 GS, I sure can. There she is. I won't go across the double white lines, and I'll probably wait for this massive truck to pass me, as I had great intentions of not dying today. Marvellous. There's Alison and her bimmer. Say hi, Alison. Right. Third petrol station, and we found one which had a working air pump. Anyway, oh, I turned my ignition on. It's usually a good way to start the bike, isn't it? Let's go to Murray Falls and see what the crack is up there. Ooh, that looks like we might get a bit of rain. I really hope it's not a massive mud bath. 600 metres, we turn left. Ah yes, there we go, Murray Falls. Too easy. Hello, Harley people. Whoa! Came in a bit hot there, but we're okay. "20 kilometres to go. I've no idea how much of this is going to be dirt. I think... Are we... No. Still bitumen. Kind of disappointed. I was expecting more dirt. There's a fair amount of water in that creek. Definitely been raining here lately. Means that the waterfall should be looking pretty good. The scenery is rather pretty, what with the cane fields and the forests and the mountains. Not a bad looking part of the planet here, is it? Still no sign of any dirt road though, which is both good and bad, I guess. There's banana trees. They put bags over the bananas as they grow to stop bugs from eating them. At least I think that's what it's for. Correct me in the comments if I'm wrong. There's been some nice bends on this road. Still no dirt though. Finally. It's not actually that bad at all. It's not even particularly badly corrugated, which is great. We only get 3 kilometers worth though. Still, guess it's better than a kick in the teeth, isn't it? Oh, corrugations. Oh, they're not bad ones, thank the Lord. Ooh. Get off the loose stuff. There we go. Got a car coming here. We can, yeah, easy. You can tell that the person in the blue Hyundai, I can say that, isn't used to driving on gravel roads, judging by how close she is to the car in front. Oh well, it's your windscreen, darling. It's pretty smooth going, but there's a lot of loose rocks on it, which definitely makes things a little trickier, as do bends when you're going downhill on a loose surface. Definitely not the most stylish off-road rider or dirt road rider, but I stay vertical for the most part, and that's all you really need to do, is not crash. Everything after that is kind of irrelevant. Oh, I like how it has a sign saying it goes to 1 lane, because it wasn't 1 lane already. Oh, like it really goes to 1 lane. I see what you're getting at there, lads. Getting a little bumpy here, but still pretty easy going, apart from the odd patch of loose stones. Nothing too taxing at all. It's quite inconsistent with regards to where the stones are. There's patches which are clear, and then you get these little banks of gravel. Dogs prohibited. Boo. Is this where we're going? Think so. Yeah. Oh yeah, this is definitely where we're going to. Right. Let's find somewhere to pull in, and we'll go have a look-see. Right, you can see the river in there. We're not at the falls yet, they're up here another little bit, which involves a small bit of a walk. I just hope it's not too steep or anything. I've had a bit of a relapse on the smokes. Yeah, there's stairs. God damn it. Yeah, all the signs are in German and Chinese as well.
It looks like get back.
See? Apparently, a lot of German and Chinese tourists get in trouble around here, which is weird. Anyway, to the falls. You can definitely hear them, and I can just about see them through the trees. Ah, yes, it's down here. There's a viewpoint just here. And hopefully I have enough room to get the drone up. If not, you'll have to make do with shaky hand cam because my gimbal's out of charge, which was stupid. Let's go down here. And that is Murray Falls. Right, let's see where else we end up. Also, that was the most terrifying bit of drone flying I've ever done. There's our two trusty steeds. Both pretty much do exactly the same thing, although maybe have different ways of going about doing it. That Beamer is a fabulous bike though. That said, I don't exactly look at it longingly when I'm on my Strom. Cheaper and simpler, but more than up to the task. We made it out of Murray Falls in one piece. Unfortunately, my GoPro decided to give up the ghost, or at least the battery did. But we're now on our way to a boat ramp at a place called Fisher's Creek, just to see what's out there. There appears to be a dirt road down, so that should be a bit of fun. Also, Alison is a keen canoeist, so I think she wants to see where she can get to from that ramp. So let's go have a look-see. Right to Cardwell. Oh look, roadworks. Huzzah, at least the light went green. Anyway, boat ramp, let's go. I think this is the turn I need down here. I'm not 100% sure. Yes, this is it. This is it. Fisher's Creek boat ramp even. Ooh. Totally expect to hear banjos. Ooh, pothole. Ooh, pothole. Hit that one. And here we are. Nice little park. Totally gonna fly the drone again. Park here. Won't park on the grass, that'll be nice. Oh, it stinks like fish here. I suppose the name of the place was Fair Warning. So it appears to be a tidal creek. Also, this looks like the sort of place crocodiles would live. Yeah, I'm a little nervous here, I'm not going to lie. So there we have it, Fish Creek. Turns out it's a tidal creek that leads into a mangrove that's probably filled with crocodiles. It's probably not the best place for canoeing. Well, I can now say I've been here, and I guess by extension you all can too. And we are back on the Bruce. I'm just going to wait for this guy to go. Come on, buddy. There we are. Anyway, we will leave it here for today because it's mostly a fairly dull schlep down the Bruce Highway back to Townsville for me. It's good to be back on the saddle, so to speak. Thank you all for watching, and I'll catch you all again soon. Good luck.